Hi, I'm Shandell Lord from McGrath Central Tablelands, located in beautiful Mudgee. Some time ago we utilised orange camera from virtual tour creators, and it was pretty game changing for our office, for a remote regional location, and so have a lot of people who come and visit us from Sydney and metro areas and have to travel a very long distance. Having the virtual tours in our office was a very convenient way to show and even qualify prospective tenants and buyers. And just recently Tom taught me he had a new product. It's a VTC set. It's a clip that goes on top of your iPhone. It was a very cost-effective device. It has improved the quality of the virtual tours immensely. It's hard to believe that you can get such a great quality tour out of just your iPhone and this tiny little clip-on device. Considering the first camera costs almost thousands, the little clip-on device is just a small portion of that in terms of price, but the quality is outstanding. Really short amount of time to get a very good quality video, and we're just really excited about the change that has come to our business by being able to offer this service to our clients. So one of the really cool things about having your virtual tour done is that the team at VTC can turn those virtual tour images into a drawn floor plan. It's very cost effective. It doesn't require any extra time or effort on our behalf. We were doing so it's just simply a button that you tick when you load it to the portal, and a nice drawn floor plan comes back to you. Very good.